Hi, today in front of you Realme C55 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone on this volume on this device. So to change ringtone volume, we should open the settings and tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, and just to change it we should slide to the left or to the right side this volume panel. Also we can make it with the help of the volume buttons, but to use them, first be sure that in more section here in volume button function you have selected the ringtone volume, and by this way we'll just successfully change the ringtone volume. Also we could slide to the up or to the down this volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.